Today we're at the Fairfax County Animal Shelter. We are doing an adoption promotion. It's called The Heat Is On. We are waiving adoption fees on dogs, and we are doing 50% off adoption fees on all other animals. Currently at the shelter we have a large number of animals in our care. In particular, we have many dogs, but we have a large variety of dogs for people to choose from. As part of the promotion, visitors can expect to see some fun and engaging activities and demonstrations such as dog training and canine art. People don't always realize that we have other types of animals available for adoption. It's not just dogs and cats. We have small animals such as guinea pigs, rabbits, we have birds. We have so many different types of animals waiting for good homes. We're also going to be undergoing some routine HVAC maintenance, and so that means that in certain parts of our shelter it's going to be very uncomfortable and hot, and so we'd really love to see our animals in homes as opposed to here at the shelter. The community can help us by coming out, seeing the animals that we have available for adoption, and of course if they're interested in bringing them home, we would love for that to happen. If they're not able to and they're interested in perhaps volunteering for us and becoming a foster volunteer and bringing an animal home temporarily, that would be wonderful too. For more information about the promotion, adoptions, how to help, or any of our other programs and services, people can visit our website or they can give us a call.